Did you know Australia once fought a war against birds during World War II? In 1932, after farmers struggled with thousands of emus destroying crops, the military stepped in. With machine guns. Yep, the Great Emu War had soldiers battling giant flightless birds. And guess what? The emus won. They outran the troops and outsmarted the machines. Talk about a feathered victory. So while WWII was raging worldwide, Australia was secretly losing a hilarious battle against emus. Only in history could a bird survive a war against soldiers and win